Hello, I'm Nicolas Kellas from ACCELIGENCE. As leaders of Pilot 2 in the DiMAT project, we focus on manufacturing high-performance composite parts for our UAVs. Today, we are testing the Material Designer Toolkit, which is part of Suite 2. Our main goal is to design new lighter composite materials for our drone components without compromising on strength. By using the MD toolkit for virtual testing, we aim to reduce the overall UAV mass and explore new configurations like those using recycled or natural fibers. This process helps us dramatically cut down on physical prototyping, costs, and time. Here is how we use the toolkit to set up virtual tests. First, we have our base materials, which are the basic building blocks like epoxy resins and different types of carbon fibers. Next, we define microstructure. This is where we combine matrix and reinforcement material. Here we've defined a microstructure using epoxy A matrix and carbon VO2 reinforcement. We can precisely define key parameters like the volume fraction, fiber length, and orientation. The MD toolkits allow us to create and virtually test many of those combinations to find the most optimal one. With our new microstructure ready, we now build the composite laminate. We give it a name and then define the layup. For each layer, we select the microstructure we want to use, set its orientation angle, and define its thickness. Once the composite is created, we can run the virtual test by clicking here. To see the results and compare them, we navigate to compare materials. Here we can select our new composite and compare it. The result table is extremely useful. We can directly compare all the critical properties, the density, as well as the elastic modulus, Poisson's ratio, and shear modulus. We can even download this data for our engineering reports. This means we can move forward to manufacturing a physical prototype with a high degree of confidence that it will meet our specifications. For us, this ability to design, test, and optimize virtually is changing the game, allowing us to innovate faster and more sustainably. Thank you very much.